This finger to pull the trigger. Put your arms out. Now aim with the sights.
Okay. And
Don't lean back. Stand up straight. Put your arms out. There you go, buddy.
almost got it.
Don't lean back. Stand up straight.
Okay.
Don't shoot at the white target.
Okay.
Shoot at the cans. Shoot the bowling pin. You see the bowling pin?
Yeah.
Right here. You see right there?
Yes.
Okay. That's it, buddy.